Okay, we've been given an arithmetic sequence. In other words, it jumps up by the same amount each time, and we're asked to say what is the nth term. Remember here, n would be equal to 1, n is equal to 2, and so on. The difference between 13 and 7 is 6, and we've got a 6 here, 6 here, 6 here. So the sequence must be based on 6n. Now, if n is equal to 1 from what we've said about the sequence, the first term should be 6, but we've got 7. So I'm going to have to add 1 to the nth term to get it right. Let's just check. Here n is equal to 3. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1, 19. So this is equal to the nth term. And is your answer. Okay, part B. We're now told that the nth term of a difference sequence is 8 minus 6n. And we're asked, is negative 58 in the sequence? Well, to prove this, all we've got to do is set our nth term expression equal to negative 58 and see if we get an integer answer for n. So, moving things around, the 8 is going to shift sides, so I get negative 6n is equal to 8 coming over here. It will become negative and will add effectively to the 58, and we get negative 66. And hopefully you can clearly see that n is equal to 11. So therefore, negative 58 is in the sequence. So we've proved it, and that's your answer.